So Hayden and Tasi, and we're from West Auckland, New Zealand. So we would just like to see Niue kept in a clean, pristine, both on land and at sea. It's a beautiful place. If you ever want to come along. People are lovely and friendly. Yeah, just making sure that you keep watch of the seas around Niue, some patrols or something, and making sure the rubbish doesn't get too much on the street.
I think good luck to the organisation,
Yeah.
and making sure that they get some really good sponsors on board, because it is absolutely amazing being first timers here into Niue.
Yeah.
Love the colours of the water, and I just hope that that it stays that way going forward, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.